Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So this is another update that I want to share with us. Very, very, very important. And please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Good morning to you, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. How are we all doing today? Yes, we are back again on new video reaction. I saw Elias. Elias made a post. Elias made a post, and I would like to share it with us. Though a lot of people have reacted on that, like what I see on the screen now, but we have to start from the post itself, as you can see it here. This is Elias. He said, I have taken a break from my Biafran videos due to Briggy's ongoing litigation in DC federal courts, but we look into what I can do as appropriate. I look forward to resuming my videos at the right time. You may wonder, when did he make this post? Look at here. He made this post, yesterday. He made a post yesterday. 9 p.m., my people, 9 p.m. The question should be, when did the USB host the program, question and answer program? Do you remember the time? Oh, 5 p.m. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the program started at 5. At 9 p.m., almost ending part of the program, or COS gave speech, powerful speech. She said a lot of things, but in her speech, there was a part, a part where she picked on Elias' attitude and his activities so far in Biafra. And Elias said it the way it is. CS said it the way it is. What did she say? She reminded Biafrans the duty of Elias and what Elias is up to, what Elias have done, and that Elias is engaging himself in some of the things that he shouldn't have done. Some of the things that normally, as a lobbyist, you don't need to get yourself involved in those things. It did not end there. She went further by calling it the way it is, together with the debris. Those that sued USB, those that sued Biafrans, in pretense that they are doing Biafran good, whereas they're actually trying to enable, criminality. Some of you may doubt it, but that is what it is. Elias have turned from a lobbyist to even he see himself as more Biafran than Biafrans. Like, everything about him is suspicious. And some people who claim they are for Oginkre, they have made some their reaction on his post. Biafrans also are there on his own, under his post. The reaction is everywhere. The comment is something that we're going to go through it. But before then, please make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let us know what your own take on the whole thing. You can see some of them say, oh, yes, that's how they say that nonsense. They're calling CS. They are calling themselves that, not CS. Thinking that, because the idea is to hurt her. Let us say it so that she can feel bad and maybe she will run away. Oh, she's chief commander of terrorists. In a situation that by the terrorists itself. With easy flat, easy nduru. Easy aquagas. Bula aquagas, and this is not score. Now, Elias, the chief instigator of a lawsuit, is now running helter-skelter. Why do you think he's running away? To you now it is normal. Like, there's no cause for alarm. There's a lot of things to worry about, and he himself understands it better than all of you. So he's doing what he should do to make sure he navigates his way out from the lawsuit. But guess what? The record is not something that you can joke with. Biafrans are not sleeping. Now listen, These are kind of people that are promoting Elias, trying to say all manner of nonsensical things. Look at it. This man called BMO. He used to contact me here on this platform. Those days, he used to come here and he's coming. He always call me my son, my son. I thought that he's a mature person. I don't know who he is. My son, my son, my son. Then, when PM was here, I actually believe that this man is sensible, like that he knows he's matured man, a man calling me my son, that kind of thing. So you can assume that he's someone that is, you understand, advanced in age and very, very experienced person, or maybe sensible. Let us read his post. He said, "Our own Honorable Mazi Chief." Our own Honorable Mazi Chief. Our own Honorable Mazi Chief Elias. Chineke mele mmadụ ebere na ndebe anyị ogene dị nnọdụ anyị ma n'ọzọ ogene ewo Honorable Mazi Elias. This guy Elias na Mazi. Okay, he said over 80 millions of Biafrans love everything you are doing. This is how they will sit down in their in their comfort home, or some of them in their hideout, cooking up stories. 80 million Biafrans love Elias. The question is, who is Elias in the first place? 80 million Biafrans. So people that actually cast votes, and that voted for self-referendum. That people that love Elias in this man's imagination outnumber the total number of Biafrans that vote for self-referendum. If this is to tell you that the lie that comes out from these people doesn't care about the age. No. The lie is not. It has nothing to do with age. Over 80 million Biafrans loves everything you are doing for our freedom and independence, and we all appreciate your great work. Coming from this Okpono, you are yapping nonsense, thinking that you are hurting anybody. You are talking to yourself, though. Guess what? It did not end there. Comment keep coming, and there's another one. I want to. Okay, let me bring it in. The way it's supposed to be, like the way I have it here. Now, our own brother Drake said this: "You haven't started, or want to." Okay, I'm not gonna say anything about it. You know what Ubuntu means, and Drake is a kind of reminding him that you running away. It's just a beginning. You won't see this reaction or this post from Eunice PB or Kiru. I have not been seeing that in Kiru's post. Are you sure she have not fall back from fall back? Fall back from fall back. You know what that means? You already fall back. You already in falling back. You already in fall back. You said to fall back again. Go deeper. Man of God, go deeper. These people, these diggers of hole. Not they're not digging gold, but they're digging hiders. They are moving from their fallback to another fallback. This is why DOS is more honorable than these criminals. You know why? DOS said that they are going underground, but they don't move from underground. They are not deeper underground. I think they just maintain that underground where they were. Or where they are, that's it. There, some of them are coming and crawling out from the hideout, from the cave. And once they come out, okay, it will be like, okay, come out. Yes, you're almost there. Come out. You're almost there. Now come. Yeah, now we're in Briggy. And once they come to Briggy, next thing is, oh, Uncle Orabueze, what you are doing, you will see you in court. They don't remember that they have actually sued USB. Okay, not USB, PM. You may pilot them to court through this guy called Jofo. If I Jofo, they sued the PM. What happened? What is the outcome of that lawsuit? Bash. Even though they sued him in Biafran land, and your gaze are good as mine. Let's move to another Another comment. This our brother here says something. No, why stopping? Keep supporting evil. Nonsense. It is already on records. Like I said, the record is not here because no matter how you are jumping from here to there trying to do damage control, I will see. Now you go chop. That you took your employee and those you are paid those you are paid to protect to courts. Biafrans are watching. That is response from this. Odogu DK says, no, why stopping? Keep supporting evil. Nonsense. It is already on records. Like I said, yes, it is. That you take your employee and those you are paid to protect to courts. Biafrans are watching. Now, that is what from him, even though that's, I believe that should be kind of a little bit touch on it, right? But now, let's go. This person, his name, let me get his name out. Tortoise is another person. That one one day. He said that, thank you, Obon Elias. We are the guy from the Oyamo. He said, thank you, Obon Elias. We are patiently waiting for the educative and inspiring videos. Okay, I did get educative because white, long hair, and the skin are the white. Yeah, I got dig it like that because that is one thing with black people. Just like when Masakane said that Buhari is no more. Do you know that I saw a post today from one Nigerian? What did he say? That he what this issue, this theory of Buhari as a jubilee is not making sense. So that it's not making sense. So that after watching a video of a white man saying the same thing, that the whole thing Masakane have been saying, or the whole thing that Masakane said is not making sense to him. What does that tell you? It goes to show that the only reason why it's making sense is because white man is not saying it. That's why some of you are jumping to Elias. Oh, teach us, Elias, educate us. Because Elias is a white person. With the that transit that man. If you know, you know. Bobo is a go buy two and get one free. On KK say put that those things. On that's the way they normally sing that song about Bobo is. If you know, you know. And then I edit my portage ayachite. Honestly, then I trust this man. Then kinda then bottles. Elias have disgraced himself, to be honest with you. I joke apart. Elias have actually disgraced himself. A man that commands respect in Biafra movement. People respected him so much. Immediately he began to take side. Because you see, money doesn't, no matter where you come from, no matter your color, once you begin to yap nonsense, your pedigree, your integrity will be trashed to Westbin. Why? Like I said, the reason why this man is running down is because of the speech. Did you see the post last week, 2 days ago, even yesterday? Immediately after COS addressed his order, just touch it a little bit, just a little touch. The man made a post immediately that he's running away, he's stepping aside from anything. Okay? That he's stepping aside. Look at it here. I have taken a break. Nima bani Biafran time go to take a break. Now, but 5 p.m. I don't know where he made 5 p.m. maybe his location. But this, according to the screenshot, 5 p.m. 5 p.m. And guess what? This 5 p.m. I believe is when, because my system is different time, so you can see it 9 p.m. when he made this post. Look at the date now. Some of you may say, oh, this is old. Look at the date here. 16, yesterday. Today we are now in 17. So, and remember the post of that question and answer. It was written boldly that you're gonna commence 5 p.m. Biafran time, 12 noon Eastern time. So you can see that. So calculate it. I have taken a break from my Biafran videos due to Brigades' ongoing litigation in DC, because you are trying to avoid being called out your role as a lobbyist. A lobbyist that have not actually done anything apart from taking photos in Capitol Hill. And out of sympathy, because somehow we still have conscience, he revealed to you that are supporting Ogenkere that you cannot get anything from US where he's trying to lobby American government, that nothing is coming out from it until you begin to command and protect 80% of your territory. What are they doing about it? Absolutely nothing. Now, the post from Mouthpiece made a comment, hitting him hard on the comment section. Look at it here. He said, "You go nowhere, Oyoshi. The gods of Biafran have opened your page. The gods of Biafran will shame you and your cohorts. You are running. On a boss, running away." Very, very interesting. Very, very, very interesting. Here again, we have some people making comments, calling him out as well. Criminals run when nobody is pursuing them. What has the case in Washington, D.C. got to do with you? Are you the judge or the attorney? You are not even a lawyer. You have found another group to scam. You have found another group to scam, which is Eritrean government. The money is no longer flowing from Ogenkere group as usual. Ocho. That is from this our brother, and you can see his own reaction. Everybody have their own view on this issue. Like what our brother likely said here, that he don't have any right to, but to me, I believe that he understands that what he's doing somehow is detrimental, because COS, regardless to have speech, she made it clear that Elias is, chewing more than he can bite. He's chewing more than he can bite, or more than he can swallow. He's biting more than he can swallow. All these things that he's doing is not supposed to be his job as a lobbyist. But once they see skin color Africans, everybody turn to gurus, like the smartest creature of this world. Everything, once they see black people, once they see curly hair from African descent, they felt that everything about them is, these are Momo people. They're synonymous to orangutan. So let us go and show them pepper. That is the mentality of this oversized transist. Elias, wow, you transit that welcome member. Ebe ndị na ebe we jam ebe eje le ụmụ happy for park ya okpure we chiri transit ya na ma o le ga man o mere ya ọ dị transit ko ya sị na zik na ndị na wọrọ gara ile ndị zik we wọrọ spoon magbe na maka wọrọ wọrọ spoon magbe na ya na achọwaze spoon. Oh, this is the clothes suit the laser kid is spoon. Osidia Nobal. Kelechi said, "You are just an idiot. You can only fool your generation, not Biafrans. We, the Biafrans, knows that you are working for Nigerian terrorist government. Ogenkere will end your generation mogul." Biafrans are not smiling. I'm not. This is, if I make this comment and write this with that, bringing to you some of these screenshots, you may think, I report, you are talking down on Elias. The last but not the least is this one. Go to after go to Okumo. You one day son of thousands fathers, son of thousands fathers. Son of a thousands fathers. What does that mean? Oh yeah, na me and chu mmadụ fa ka ogene Chineke mere mmadụ na afụbeghị m ụdị ini nke a Go to Okumo, you woman wolana. Nwa papa ya bụ we thousands mpa. Na oyibo oyibo na that man oyibo. Nke a na so no. But the man we platform they will be like, what are you talking about? I thought you said that you are not supporting anything. Now listen, look at the sticker here. Get out. He put here, beware of Oye Opose Mozo. My people, I would like to know your own opinion on this. I would like to hear from you because I let me keep it short. This is 20 minutes, to this video. I have to end it here. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about this decision of Elias for jumping out and trying to hide. I thought that the court case is they made it in a such a way that COS will be the one hiding and Biafran will be shivering and quaking. No hiding, lying low and trying to dodge the bullet from the police office. Adoge's Maryland office in the other one. Always support something that is good, so that it will be good for you as well. See you again, my people. Please don't forget to like the video, like I said, and subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Remember, because let me make it clear now, we'll be coming live 2 p.m. Biafran time. I will try to maintain one time so that we can maintain one time for to stream, because coming live here and there sometimes it's confusing many of you. After program, someone will come on phone and say, this program that I watched now, is it before or now? Sometimes, but when you have a particular time to come live, I think it's going to get a long way to help us and actually help the channel. God bless you. Bye-bye for now.